Lauren Hudspeth, and this is the week 5 assignment, and we're doing exponential models. So question number 1 was the price of a computer component is decreasing at a rate of 15% per year. If the component costs $110 today, what will it cost in 3 years? Okay, so for number 1, the starting value was $110 and it decreased by 15% per year. So if it decreased by 15%, that means that it retains 85% of its value. So if the annual multiplier is 0.85, because that would be 85% of the value, and then the time is 3 years, so the formula for the future value would be 110 times 0.85 to the third power. So 0.85 to the second power would be 0.7225, and then 0.85 to the third power would be 0.7225 times 0.85, and that would be 0.614125. So then you would multiply 110 by the 0.614125, and you would multiply that by 110 because you would want to do your formula like this right here. And after you multiply that, you get 67.55375, and you would round 67.55375, and you would get $67.55 as your answer, as you can see right there. And then number 2 was, sorry, let me pull that back up. Number 2 was between 1998 and 2002, the average rate of inflation for a particular country was about 5% per year. If a cart of groceries cost $93 in 1998, what is the cost in 2002? So we're told that the inflation is 5% per year, so prices grow by a factor of 1.05 each year. The starting price in 1998 is $93, and the number of years that we're calculating for is between 2002 and 1998, so that would be 4 years. With a growth factor of 105 to the fourth power, because it's 4 years and the factor is 1.05. So you do 1.05 to the second power, which would be 1.1025, and then you would want to find 1.05 to fourth power, which would be equal to 1.21550,625. And then, since the starting price is $93, you would want to multiply the $93 times 1.21550,625, and you would get 113.04108. And then you would round that number, and you would get $113.04 is the cost in 2002. Thank you.